Hey guys, I am Leah and I'm the owner of Leah Noel Design Co. And I am back. I had a 2-week vacation, but I'm so excited to be back in the shop. This is like my first real day back in the shop. So I am just like buzzing with creativity and I'm ready to work. So today we are gonna work on some purses. I'm gonna use this down here first, and then I think I'm gonna use some of these other ones. So let me just go ahead and cut this out. Like that, to just make it a little bit more firm so that it's easier to rub this transfer on. The redesign with Prima transfers, out of all the transfers that you can get, these are the stickiest, which is awesome. Oh, that's gonna fit perfect right there. So they're really easy to put on things like purses. Like right here, this is not gonna be hard because it's just, it has really good adhesion. This is my transfer tool. You can buy these. But most of the time I just use my stick, which comes with the transfer. It's so hard. I think the hardest time I have is deciding which transfers I want to use on what. Like, if I use this on here, I don't know that I would use it on furniture. Oh, that's pretty. This is painted leather, and I'm gonna seal it the exact same way. So everything's adhered down. Just give it one more rub. Make sure. Medium pressure. And then I'm just gonna spritz it. And that's it. So thank you guys for joining. I will talk to you guys later. Have an awesome Tuesday. Bye-bye.